Hello students, in this video I will tell you about the relations and functions. Exercise 1.1. This is for class 12 understanding ISC mathematics by ML Agrawal. I have told in the earlier video, that is the part 1 in relation and function, about the relations, all types of relation like reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Now I will tell you about the some applications of these relations, or you can say the questions based on these relations. Exercise 1.1. Before that, some examples are there and these are the very important that you have to do. So I want to tell you that one example, and this is also the based on the equivalence relation. Equivalence relation is nothing, it is only the if the relation satisfies the reflexive, symmetric and the transitive. So if this one question is there, one example number 22, show that the relation are in the set A. Example 22. Relation R in the set A. A is given X such that X belongs to W, means whole number, where X also lies between 12 and 0. This is the condition set A given by relation A minus relation R, A comma B, where A minus B is multiple of 4. Mod of A minus B is multiple of 4. So is multiple of 4. This is given the condition. Show that this is an equivalence relation. This R is an equivalence relation. Also find the set of all elements related to 2. अभी वो बाद में बताएंगे, but before that, show that this is an equivalence relation. As you know, the set A X belongs to W, 0 to 12, so you can write the set A is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to 12. This is the set A. Then the relation R. The first one, the reflexive. If you want to show the reflexive relation, how to take? You will take the let A, any element from these 13 elements belongs to A and R be the relation. This is given, R be the relation from A to A. A to A means A cross A. A to A means A cross A. And then A comma B, A minus B. This you have to take in your concept, means when you show the reflexive or any other thing, then you take this condition, A minus B is multiple of 4. So in this case, the relation R for the reflexive, the ARA must be multiple of 4. That is equal to mod of A minus A, and this is equal to 0, and 0 is, you can write here, which is multiple of 4. Because every 0, कोई भी मतलब 0 तो कोई भी एलिमेंट हो, अगर वो सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा A minus A, तो that will come 0, and 0 is the multiple of 4. For every integer, the 0 is the multiple. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमारा R is reflexive. So you can say, therefore R is reflexive. So R is reflexive. Now second part, transitive, it is reflexive. Then symmetric relation. Symmetry में क्या है? You have to consider the two elements. Two elements means let A B belongs to set A and A comma B belongs to R. मतलब this I told you in the earlier video, the A comma B means the elements from the set A, but when you write in the small bracket it means the belong to the relation R. This is the order. And also B comma A belongs to R. How to? If A R B means A minus B is multiple of 4. So can you say the BRA means क्या BRA multiple नहीं होगा? Is also multiple of 4. Therefore ARB is equal to, yeah, you can say that tending to BRA, means symmetric relation satisfied. Therefore symmetric relation is satisfied. So this is the second type of relation, symmetry. Now the third type, that is the transitive. What I told about the transitive, that you know. Let A, B, C, for this the three element you have to take and let from the set A, the three elements. Then if A comma B belongs to and B comma C belongs to set R, ये दोनों set R में है, means relation R में है. So in that case, whether can you say that A and C belongs to set R? First you have to show A related B means A minus B is multiple of 4. B R C, it is also, it is given, is multiple of 4. तो अगर A minus B और B minus C ये दोनों multiple of 4 है, तो can you say that the A minus B and plus B minus C means these are not the, this is not the B and B cancel, and you can say that A minus C also divisible by multiple of 4. Means अगर A is A, then you can write A R B is satisfied and B R C is satisfied. It tending to the A R C, मतलब A minus C is also the multiple of 4. बिल्कुल सिंपल कि उसी से ले रहे हैं. अगर ये मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 है, ये मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 है, तो इनका जो भी कैलकुलेशन होगा दैट विल बी द मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 आल्सो. तो A minus C also the multiple of 4. तो A is multiple of 4, B minus C, तो A minus B multiple, B minus C is multiple of 4. तो A minus B plus B minus C is multiple, so A minus C is a multiple of 4. You can see the example also. Modulus sign you can take out the modulus sign, तो इसे भी हटा सकते हैं, उसके बाद लगाएंगे तब भी आएगा हमारा A minus C is multiple of 4, whether it is positive or negative. So therefore the relation is transitive. then you will write in the last the relation is transitive. Therefore, at last, R is equivalence because this one satisfying all the three relations, मतलब reflexive, transitive and symmetric, तीनों रिलेशन satisfy कर रहे हैं, इसलिए ये equivalence relation है. It is proved. Now you have to show that also find the set of all elements related to 2. Related to 2 all elements satisfy. अब हमें 2 से रिलेटेड वो एलिमेंट्स निकालने हैं सेट ए से जो कि इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं. तो यू कैन सी इन द सेट ए हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स आर देयर 0 to 12. तो इफ वी टेक द 2 multiple of means 2 if we take, so the elements which satisfy that modulus of a minus b is the multiple of 4. तो 2, 6, 2 से 6 ये रिलेट होगा, 2 से 6 रिलेट होगा, 2 से 8 नहीं मल्टीपल होगा, मतलब 4 का मल्टीपल नहीं होगा, बाकी एलिमेंट्स नहीं होंगे. वन मोर एलिमेंट दैट इज 10. 2 minus 10 करें या 10 minus 2 करें, that is also the multiple of 4. 6 minus 2 करें या 6 plus 2 minus 6 है, that is also the multiple of 4. तो ये will satisfy a minus b is multiple of 4. तो that is we can say the elements related to 2 which satisfy this condition will be 2, 6, 10. अब जैसे इसमें 3 भी आ रहा है, 4 भी आ रहा है, अब 2, 4 है तो 2 minus 4 not multiple of 4. तो इस तरह से 2 minus 12 लेंगे, that is also not multiple of 4. तो by this way we have only the 3 elements which related to 2, मतलब ये 2 एलिमेंट है, इसको लेकर के 3 हो गए, और यही 3 आपस में क्या कर रहे हैं, ये कह सकते हैं कि कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई कर. Now one question, the same type question here in the exercise also that you can see. Determine this question number. There are the questions which are based on the 10 also. Question number 10. Determine whether each of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. This is question number 10 is there. R is the relation that is a comma b. A comma b belongs to natural number. Belongs to natural number and as also a is less than b. मतलब ये पहला एलिमेंट, the first element is less than the second element. Now you have to check whether the relation reflexive, symmetric and transitive. तो reflexive, symmetric and transitive. तो पहला हम लेते हैं for reflexive. Let कोई भी एलिमेंट लें, a belongs to set A. तो इसका मतलब A, A belongs to set R. But condition, what is the condition? A is less than B. यानी कि ये जो related है, where A are A. क्या A अपने से less हो सकता है? That is not satisfying A is less than A. मतलब ये satisfy नहीं कर रहा है. A is not less than A. You can say that the A is not less than A is not less than A. Therefore, this relation is not reflexive. So, the relation is not reflexive. Directly. Second part, symmetric. For symmetric, what do you do? In symmetric case, let the two elements A and B belongs to set N and A comma B belongs to set R. मतलब ये जो relation R. So what you will have? The condition is A must be less than B. If A is less than B, then B, what you say about the B is less than A? No. B is greater than A. Therefore, you will write A or B is not equal to B or A. So, R is not symmetric. ये सिमेट्रिक भी है. अब हमें एक लास्ट देखना है कि क्या ये ट्रांजिटिव है. थर्ड, ट्रांजिटिव. लेट A, B, C belongs to N. मतलब ये एलिमेंट्स लिए and then check if A or B and B or C is true. मतलब ये according to condition true है. Means अभी ये हम इसमें लिख रहे हैं. True means A is less than B and B is less than C. So what you will say about A and C? So therefore, yes, so A is less than C from above 2. Therefore, R is transitive. R is transitive. तो ये जो वैल्यूज है उनको एक्चुअली यू विल नॉट कंसीडर एज द 1 2 3 4 5 6 बिकॉज in every question if you let the variable, from variable you can say that this is transitive, this is symmetric, this is, so accordingly you have to do the questions. And these questions are very simple, very easy. In the next video I will tell you some more things about the relations and functions. So keep on watching and you will get the sufficient knowledge about these questions. Thank you.